Getting shaders in Minecraft is easy, and in this guide, I'll show you exactly how to do it. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Minecraft tutorials. Shaders improve the look of Minecraft by adding realistic lighting, better shadows, reflections, and other visual effects. First, close Minecraft if it's currently running. Then open your preferred web browser and search for CurseForge. Visit the CurseForge website, select Minecraft, click Browse, and choose the Shaders category from the left-hand menu. Browse the available shader packs and pick one you like. In this example, we'll use complementary shaders. Open the Shader Packs page, go to the Files section, and download the latest version that matches your Minecraft version. Next, you'll need a shader loader. Search for OptiFine and visit the official OptiFine website. Open the Downloads page, choose the correct version for your game, and download it. After the download finishes, open the OptiFine installer and click Install. If the installer doesn't open, make sure Java is installed on your computer. Now launch Minecraft. Before clicking play, select the OptiFine profile from the version menu. Once you're in the game, press Escape, open Options, then Video Settings, and you'll see a new Shaders option. Click Shaders, then select Shaders folder. Open your Downloads folder and drag the shader pack you downloaded into the Shaders folder. Return to Minecraft, select the shader pack from the list, and double-click it to enable it. After a few moments, the new graphics will load, and you'll be playing Minecraft with beautiful shaders enabled.